Our life is so dependent on the use of technology that we feel trapped in our own bubble if things don't move fast. Our creativity, lifestyle, and work demand the use of different softwares on day-to-day basis. But at times we either run into slow computer issues, which makes it difficult to complete our work on time, while running a resource-intensive software, or end up purchasing multiple software licenses to finish our project at hand. In case the computer is not powerful enough, we have option to buy a new machine, but you have no clue if that expense is justified. Similarly, if you are concerned with spending your hard-earned money on purchasing software licenses and don't want to get stuck with its contract, you don't have much choices today. Either you purchase those licenses or don't use those applications, especially when your usage is not that much. Virtoolly brings a solution to address the machine issues, as well as your hesitation to purchase the software licenses. Its on-demand cloud streaming service is developed using secured and reliable Amazon Web Services. Software applications get installed in the cloud, and the users can work on those applications just using their machine browsers. It does not consume any resources of your device, instead it leverages the unlimited power of cloud infrastructure. With everything migrating into the cloud, sky is your limit with what you can do using a cloud-based solution. You have the flexibility of using the most advanced system configuration based on your needs. Software application licensing, install, configuration, and updates are all handled by the platform. Additionally, it exceeds your expectations on performance, security, availability, scalability, and portability of any application. Benefits of using Virtoolly: software as a service platform is multifold irrespective of whether you are using a freeware or a paid software. Flexibility of changing the system configuration on the fly. You can customize machine based on your needs and only use it for the duration of your project. Our platform is operating system agnostic, using which you can run any software on any operating system, Windows, Mac. Virtoolly Instant Access is the most desirable benefit when time is of essence to complete the client project. Your delivery timelines can be reduced from weeks to days. With usage-based pricing model, you are liable to pay for the service only if you use it. You have no other obligation. Unlimited data storage in our cloud, which allows you to work on any project without any restriction. For paid products, you don't have to purchase any software licenses and keep paying for it year after year. We handle all that for you. You are not stuck with one particular software and can use any software available on our platform, especially when technology landscape changes every day and each project demands are different on tools and technology. You can do a project even if you don't own a computer. Virtoolly Cloud Streaming Service offers a unified cloud experience where you can work from anywhere using any device. You are free from managing any application issues, handling any software updates, and worrying about security threats. Customer privacy is our utmost priority, so we are committed to protect your data and don't sell it to any third party. What are you waiting for? Build your dreams in the cloud, using our most secured and reliable Virtoolly platform.